I'm from Legals Daily. My question goes to Ms. Liu Hongyu. We know that you have been working for the protection of the rights for lawyers and the reform of the jurisdiction system. So what are the influence of the reform on the environment for lawyers to practice? We know that the reform incorporates an important link in improving the environment of the lawyer's practice. The lawyer practice as an extension of protecting the rights of the clients. If lawyers does not have the right of clients will be hampered. I have been in this profession for 30 years. We have experienced difficulties in filing a case or in reviewing the evidence or in implementing the decision of the court. So I still feel the pain for these difficulties nowadays. That is why I call upon the improvement of the environment for lawyers' practice, and I call upon the undertaking of judicial reform. After the 18th National Congress of CPC, we have been promoting the judicial reform, and the practice environment for lawyers have been improving. Now we have reformed the filing case system, and we can file a case across different administrative regions, and we have established platforms online, therefore the lawyers can have easier access to the evidence and case files. And for the courts, they will cooperate with the Ministry of Public Security as well as the CBRC to target the implementation to specific people. Therefore, for the people who cannot implement the judge decision, they cannot have, say, the access to high-speed train or airplanes. These measures help us to implement the judicial decision. Therefore, reform and opening up has helped us to re-establish the lawyer system, and the judicial reform has added new vitality to the practice of lawyers. Now we have on average 9.5% of increase in the lawyer's profession, and by the beginning of 2017, we have more than 300,000 lawyers. Lawyers are an integral part of the judicial development in China, and judicial reform cannot be stopped. We need to call upon new mechanisms, especially the judges who make the decision need to make the consideration and take the responsibility. Therefore, the judges should take more responsibility. And how to increase and improve the capacity of the judging people, and how to set up a mechanism for scientific and sophisticated monitoring and supervision, how to expand the depth and intensity of lawyers' practice. These are the questions we need to consider.